Hello guys, today I am going to talk about the Netra Tarapana procedure. Eye Tarapana, also known as Netra Tarapana, Akshi Tarapana or Netravasti. It is a specialized Ayurvedic rejuvenation therapy designed especially to nourish and strengthen the eyes. Eyes Tarapana literally translate to eye nourishment, acting as a deeply hydrating eye bath to clear out the tension and dryness. It is indicated in Vata Pitta condition, fatigue of eye, loss of movement of eye, dryness in the eye, falling eyelashes, and unclear eye. Let's see the procedure. First, we liquefy the ghritam. Pour the black gram flour into the bowl. Add warm water slowly and while kneading the flour with your hands. Knead vigorously until it forms a thick, smooth, and highly elastic dough. The dough must be firm and sticky like a play dough, not running watery. Roll the dough into two long, thick cylindrical sausage shape. It about length is about the 1 inch thick. Here we are using for two pieces, so we are cutting into four pieces. Now press the part like this and make like this shape. Be careful; it should be not loose or irregular shape. Otherwise, ghritam will be leak out and come. Take some flour and make it a paste of it using it as a glue. We will use this glue like paste in for blockage of leak while filling the grip. Now patients should lie down comfortably in a supine position on the on the droni or tea table. Now use the loose duff like this and apply on the face of the patient. Take the prepared sausage shaped black gram duff cylinder, shape them into a ring and place them firmly over the bony orbit or margin of around each eye. Dimension of the duff wall must be the 1.5 to 2 inches. You have to ensure that the ghrita can completely submerge the eyelash without overflowing. Press the outer edge of the duff firmly into the skin. Take a small amount of extra wet duff paste and smooth it along the base interface to form a completely leak-proof, alright, all-tight seal. Slowly and steady pour the lukewarm, liquefied medicated ghrita down into the inner wall of the duff frame. Do not pour the liquid directly onto the eyelids. Now patient should blink and